Now that you've changed the oil on your Lexus GX460 for 2010 through 2019 vehicles, this is how you reset the maintenance light. So you want to find, of course, your start button right there. Over here, the odometer trip button right there. You're going to keep your foot off the brake, press the start button once, press it a second time. Your screen will light up. See, it's checking maintenance. In this case, it is going to tell me maintenance required. And you can see that down low it's on trip A. And if it wasn't on trip A, it was on odometer like that, you're going to cycle it back to trip A, so it says trip A with the mileage. Now go ahead and just hit your start button one time. Everything turns back off. Keep your foot off the brake the whole time. Now what you're going to do is find the odometer trip button again. We're going to hold this down while we press the engine start button again twice. Keep the foot off the brake. And there you go. Keep your hand on the odometer button. Don't let it off. It's resetting. And there you go. Now that message went away, it's reset. You can let your finger off the odometer trip button and it's all done. Nothing left to do. And then just hit your start button again and turn the car off. Everything's set. It's all reset. If this was helpful, go down below, hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I really appreciate that. I'll have more videos, maintenance videos, different cars, hopefully come soon.